So whether you're an investor who's looking to park their funds in startups, or whether you're actually a founder who's looking for the right market, UAE is a good spot.
Moving forward to the next question, how do you think platforms like Ivy Growth Associates can support entrepreneurs and investors in navigating the financial complexities of scaling a business?
The fact that whatever I'm saying here is because I attended the Ivy Grow Summit, the International Investor Summit, proves that you guys are actually creating a wonderful platform. Even if I'm not, like, I am a panel speaker here, but even if I wasn't, the kind of networking that I see happening around, even while we're recording the video, founders and investors meeting out on their own, people discussing opportunities. And one wonderful thing about UAE is that they are very embracing. So when an event like this brings up people at one particular spot, you see magic happening. And I'm sure even after the summit tomorrow, you will see many connections coming out and booming up. So thank you so much, guys, for organizing this.
Thank you for being here. And I'll end this interview with the last question.
Yeah.
What would be the one piece of advice to entrepreneurs you would like to give who would like to manage about their finances and taxes as they smartly grow?
One tip is that do not rely on what influencers say online.
Oh.
And I'm saying that as an influencer. So when I give out knowledge, I give out from the perspective is that you should know what all things are existing. But in the end, you need to go to a proper advisor to manage your tax and finances, because it is a full-time job. Today, I'm running a business around it, right? So I know multiple things. So when I impart knowledge or when I create videos, my only perspective is that when you're talking to your CA or your financial advisor, you know the right set of questions to ask. But that does not mean that you sit and manage it on your own. You should be aware of what your CA is doing or what your personal wealth advisor is doing. But do go to a professional.
As you heard Shreya say, let the experts handle the day. Thank you for being here. Thank you for participating at the International Investor Summit. Shreya.
Thank you so much.